Good morning. Ira Epstein with your morning flash update for this Thursday, and we're at the 10th of July, 2025. We're about 8:15 a.m. Central Time. Stock markets giving back a bit of yesterday's gains, setting the market back. And now the question becomes one of, can we really keep just making higher highs? Are we going to run into a bit of a stall at some point? That's what traders will ask. OPEC, they released their conference call and their outlook through 2050. And while it's overall more bullish long term, short term, I didn't view it that way at all. And it does differ from British Petroleum, Citgo's, and other oil companies that recently came out with theirs. They're definitely, OPEC, more constructive, maybe. They're not seeing China as the big driver going forward. They're viewing India in that as well. Bonds and notes sort of flat right now. We're going to get some news. We had the U.S. jobless claims come out, and they were down 5,000. That's not what the market was looking for. They're looking for an increase. And you were also in the weekly jobless down 5,000. So something, I copied that twice. I'm sorry. My mistake. I'll fix that in a little bit. The continuing claims, they were up a little bit. All right, St. Louis Fed President Muslim is going to be attending an event at 9 o'clock this morning. We'll see if he says anything. You're going to get the natural gas storage report at 9:30. I'm expecting more tariff news. In the afternoon yesterday, Brazil got the president's wrath. There's no reason he went to 50% other than they are really pushing his buttons with the BRICS statements, trying to get away from the U.S. dollar, undermine it. So the president said, the heck with you. Let's go to 50% tariffs. They were one of the few at 10%. And now they're at 50. So can that be worked out? Probably over time, but it's going to take a little soothing of the president to get that down. Probably not going to 10%. And if they do anything with BRICS to undermine the dollar, you can count that the president will go bonkers on them. I mean, you're seeing it already. He's enamored. The stock market making new highs tells him his policies are correct. We'll see. Dollar basically stable. Same going for the euro. Just not a lot of movement today in those markets. So the stock market, a mixed picture. You're up a tad in the NASDAQ, giving the most up in the Dow in terms of points, and the other markets sort of just hanging in there. I find it interesting that the oil market is having its own share of problems. Look at this platinum market explode to the upside. I wanted you to catch that because, you are getting certain metals taking off. And again, look at silver gaining on gold, and that's something I've been talking about for a while, 3 weeks to be specific, and it's still taking place. I'm Ira Epstein. I hope you join us in our morning subscriber videos, because that is where I say buy here, sell there, do this, do that. Just go to our website, iraepstein.com. Go to the free offers if you want, or join us in the actual videos. In the free offers, you can get a 2-week trial to that if you haven't been a subscriber before. I'm Ira. You have yourself a good day, trading day, and I'll catch up with you at the end of the day as we do our market wrap-up.